Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to the Saxophone Factory. Now we are going to do the Rubank Advanced Method Volume 1, Unit number 9. Unit number 9. It is in the key of F major. I shouldn't struggle nearly as much with it, hopefully. But we will do our best. And again, if I make a small error, I'm not going to edit it out, because you'll probably make the same error. And hopefully you can find it. All right, here we go. Unit 9 starts on page 7. Number 16 and 17, is that right? Yes. Number 16 and 17. Here we go. Not too fast. 1, 2. All right, the next one is page 9, number 21. It's our chromatic scale from the low F to the high F. My suggestion again is to practice this slowly and then speed it up, making sure that we've got great hand position throughout. All right, here we go. Page 9, number 21, as part of unit 9. 9. Ready? And all right. Number 17, triplets. Okay. We're off to page 26, number 8. Page 26, number 8. We are not going to take the repeats this time. Just for the length of the video, we're not going to take repeats. Okay. That was page 26, number 8. Moving on. Page 47, number 8. All right. More triplets. Got to get close to the eyeballs. Okay. tricky. It's tricky. It's tricky. It's tricky. All right. That was page 47. 54, number 19 and 20. Now, in the last unit, we used the chromatic F sharp G flat. In this unit, we are not going to. In these exercises, we are not going to. We're going to go ahead and use the regular fingering because of the reason that I said, because we have to get back to the D. If we're here, getting back to the D is hard. If we're here, getting to the D is easy. Okay, get it close to my eyeballs. Number 19. 1, 1, and 2. Number 20. Same deal. Different register, going from D to F sharp. D to that F sharp is weird. D to this F sharp is easy. D to that F sharp is weird. Don't do it. Use a regular F sharp. Ready? Go. But what do you do about the C sharp? Now, you can practice using the closed C sharp. I think it's difficult there, but sounds so much nicer, right? Isn't that nice? Closed C sharp is like fingering the low C sharp with the octave key. You have to be careful because that note is normally very sharp. So we have to make sure that we're nice and relaxed here when we're playing that note. Let's see if you can guess. I want to play it both ways. Let's see if you can guess how I do it. Well, you're right. The first time I played it closed, the second time I played it open. It's kind of a debate in the saxophone world, but not really. The closed one is better. There's all sorts of other ways to close down the C sharp. Some people put like all their fingers down, like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, wait a minute, that doesn't work. Or like this finger here. A lot of band directors say, put the G finger down. I don't think that helps a lot. Doesn't really help a lot. You put the bottom hand down. Open. That kind of opens it up more. The idea is to learn how to play the closed or the long C sharp. Because the timbre, this is an offshoot of what we're doing. The timbre is closer to the D. We want to play the D with the octave key. We want to try to match that timbre. Now, that was closed, or the long C sharp. Now I'm going to play the open C sharp. You can tell the difference. The closed C sharp is better. So, in my estimation, try to practice the closed C sharp as much as you can. And you can really tell the difference on exercises like this. All right, what's the next one? Moving on. Page 61, number 8. Now we're doing the short grace notes. We did the long grace notes before. And the short grace notes are right before the note. Tia, tia. Now here's what I'm going to do on this one. This is number, make sure I get the right one. Number 8. I'm going to play the exercise without the grace notes. I often have my students do this because then they can get the rhythm and they're not caught up with the grace notes, right? So you can hear how it goes. So I want to play across all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections of number 8 without the grace notes. Then I'm going to go back and add them. Okay? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Easy enough. As you can see where it says played, it says that you have a doubly dotted quarter note and then a 16th note. That'll get you close, but it's before the beat. That's the most important part. Smooth. All right. Now we're up in number 60, page 66. Number 2. We did that the last time. We're going to do it again. And we're going, and we have, you got to do the repeats. You're stuck. You have no choice. All right. Here we go. 66, number 2. 1, 2. Ready? Oops, sorry. Ready? Go. All right, Unit 9. Good luck. Again, I did not edit out any of my little mistakes. I did not, because I'm a real person. And like I said in the previous video, I'm trying to get all these 30 plus lessons done, and I have not had a chance to practice them all to perfection. And I edit out very few of my mistakes unless I actually crash and burn. So you may find a little flip or blip on error. My apologies. These are reference recordings, so you get an idea how they go. Okay. In any case, I got to get out of here and make room for somebody else. So again, till I see you again, keep practicing. Thank you.